Hi, my name is Dan Kaplan. I want to welcome you to our Health, Labor, and Employment Law Institute. And next to me is David Edquist, and he's going to talk a little bit about some of the sessions we have on the health law issues.
Hi, Dan. We're really excited about what we have lined up today. And for those of you who aren't able to make it here live and in person, we really encourage you to watch the webcast. This is a great program we've been working on for a long time. On the healthcare side, we've got a number of programs that are lined up from the most basic fraud and abuse primer type of an arrangement to more in-depth the toolbox. We've got up from there, we've got high-tech, HIPAA. We've got all the way up to advising nonprofit boards, which is something you're not going to find anywhere else, Dan.
On the employment side, we're going to have issues that are hot in the FLSA, the Fair Labor Standards Act. We have restrictive covenants, whistleblower and retaliation, and traditional labor law is going to close out our sessions tomorrow, which you may see online. We also have plenary sessions. What are some of our plenary sessions?
Well, you really set yourself up there, Dan, because Dan actually starts off the whole show with Mike Bamberger on a plenary session that really goes over the year in review for both healthcare and labor and employment law. So that is a really good program. But we're also going to have a number of other interesting programs. One is called the Bermuda Triangle of Leaves, different kinds of leaves under labor and employment law, but also impacting healthcare attorneys, those who regularly advise healthcare clients. Dan, we've got a general counsel panel, which should be really, really good. We're excited about that. And another one that kind of shows the intersection between health and labor and employment law on its compliance issues with employment, particularly employment of lawyers. And then finally, tomorrow, we have a great session on social media, which should be really interesting.
Oh, that's great. It is nice that this session, this whole institute, really worked together well, combining health and employment law. And it was just a joy to actually work with the health law section and the labor and employment law section together to put this together. But I would like to give air to our keynote address, and our speaker for lunch today is Governor Jim Doyle. And Governor Doyle will be speaking on the politics associated with health care and Affordable Health Care Act and all of those kinds of things that are occurring right now with the elections just around the corner, something that nobody will want to miss.
Well, it's going to be great. We've worked really hard on this. We hope that you can join us by webcast and see what we put together. You'll appreciate it. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.